The government is planning to spend over $100 billion more than initially projected as part of efforts to help Jamaica recover from Hurricane Melissa.
Finance Minister Favour Williams tabled the third supplementary estimate in the House of Representatives today.
Details from Andrea Chisholm.
$1.37 trillion. That's how much money the government will now have to spend in the 2025-2026 fiscal year. That's roughly $106 billion more than what was initially planned. Finance Minister Favour Williams told the lower house that the third supplementary estimates include additional resources to facilitate recovery following Hurricane Melissa.
In the third supplementary, Madam Speaker, is Hurricane Melissa response and relief, $29.3 billion or $142 million US. The Ministry of Economic Growth and Infrastructure Development will receive the largest share at $7.2 billion for road infrastructure and procurement of 3,300 containerized folding units of housing.
$4.6 billion will go to the Ministry of Local Government to, among other things, assist with the cleanup efforts. Tourism, $3.4 billion. Water Ministry, $3.2 billion. Agriculture, $3 billion. Energy, Transport and Telecommunications, $1.5 billion. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister also updated Parliament on the $6.7 billion US in international support to recover from Hurricane Melissa.
This is the single largest and most comprehensive development financing package ever assembled for Jamaica. It gives us the liquidity, the fiscal space, and the multi-year investment framework required to rebuild stronger and more secure for our future. Securing support of this magnitude within 1 month of Hurricane Melissa is nothing short of historic.
Opposition leader Mark Golding was concerned about the implications for Jamaica's debt.
I'm not blaming the government for Melissa. That would be absurd. I'm not blaming the government for seeking resources to fund the recovery. It's going to be necessary to get those resources. I am just making the point that this is not something to celebrate. This is not something to gloat about. This represents a substantial setback for Jamaica, and it represents if it's not administered properly, it could permanently weaken our future prospects and damage the country's future.
We are not celebrating more debt. What we are celebrating is the opportunity to make a massive investment in our infrastructure, in our people, in the services that improve productivity. And it is that investment, Madam Speaker, that will expand our economy relative to our debt, and therefore, in short order, you can look forward to growing, increased revenue, and a relatively smaller debt to the size of your economy.
The Prime Minister insists Jamaica will build back stronger. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.